How to use Gboard on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gboard application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Set up Gboard. Then, tap on Get Started. You will then be taken to the Gboard settings page. Here, go to Keyboards. Turn on the Gboard option at the top. Turn on the Allow Full Access feature as well. Full access allows the developer of this keyboard to transmit anything you type, including things you have previously typed with this keyboard. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. In the Messages page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, go to the text bar below and tap on it to open the keyboard. Then, tap on the icon at the bottom left corner. Select Gboard from here. You are now using the Gboard keyboard. Tap on the Settings key below. Then, tap on One-Handed Mode. Tap on the Settings key again. As you can see, you can choose the keyboard language from here as well. Following these steps, you can easily use Gboard on iPhone.